Hey, good morning, folks. It's starting to sprinkle here. Working on the 51 Willys today. The Judge, these old spring shackles, some of them will and some of them won't take grease. So I'm going to work on them, clean them out. These two on the front, and then back here at the back, this one won't take any grease, and the book says the front ones are left-handed on the left-hand side, but I've already checked this one. That one is a left-handed thread. Just got to turn loose. And this one over here, let's see. I don't see any notch on the upper or lower one. Let's get in here. Dang it, where is it? Upper or lower. So, but this one, the lower one, see that? I don't know if it'll focus on it. See that little tiny notch? That indicates that they're left-handed. The bottom one is left-handed. So I'm going to take that apart today. Jack the Jeep up, take it apart, clean it out where it'll take grease, and then put it back on there. Should be a fun project. Yeah, it said the ones on the front were left-handed, but that one right there is left-handed. It's got the notch on it. So, fix to get started. Well, it's tough going. I'm having to double wrench this thing. It's a regular right-hand thread, but I believe it's moving now. The bottom one is pretty well coming loose. Maybe you have to kind of do them both at the same time, which I didn't. I've got this one, the lower one, probably a half an inch. So maybe it just got a little cockeyed and got tight on it. But now it's moving. Lefty, whoop, lefty loosey. Sorry about that. Here we go. Double wrench this thing. There it goes. I see some space between the hex and the spring now. Oh yeah, it's getting more space all the time, so I got it going. Okay, in a minute I'm going to stop and put the grease gun on it and just see if it'll take grease. I'm not going to take it all the way loose. In fact, let's try it right now. Turn the light on, maybe that would help. See what we're doing. Right here is the lower shackle, the lower grease cert. That one, nope, it won't. It hadn't. Nothing. Check this up. Get on there. Nope, that baby's still tight. It won't go. Okay, I'm going to keep wrenching her loose, and then I'll be back. Okay, well, here's the shackle. The left-handed thread goes on the bottom. I've already put some grease on it and run the thing in and out to make sure it would go. So now, I'll just turn around here and I guess I better get some more light again. And hold this to the inside. And let's see, make sure I got the right one. Is this the left-handed? Yes, it is. Okay, that will go on the bottom. Doesn't really matter which one you do first, so I'll put that in, hold it in there, and just get it started. And of course it's lefty-tighty, and I'll run it in about halfway, about that much. And then the other one, the light went out, but put it on and it's regular right-hand thread. So I'll run it in. In fact, I'm going to chase it in with this little tool a little bit. I got it started. There. Now this one, hold it tight. Go in some more. This one, hold it. There. The rest of it I'm going to do by hand wrench. I'll be back. The light's not doing it, but tightening the upper one, of course, righty-tighty. And that's bottomed out. Oh, I'm not sure how tight that one is supposed to be. I'm just going to put it snug. And then the bottom one, wipe some of that grease off of it. Wipe some of the grease off of this. It'll, when I drive out in the pasture, that'll rub off in the grass. Let's see. The bottom one, it said to okay, the bottom one, it says on the manual to leave a 32nd of an inch between the hex nut and the spring. So I'm loosening it up a little. I think I'll drive it. Let's see, yeah, it's lefty loosey. I'm going to leave it loose, maybe more than a 32nd. And drive it a little bit, and then I'll double check it. And I'll check the torques, see what they're supposed to be. Ah. Well, darn. Just hard time for grease to get there, but I know, all right, I see it coming out. Hallelujah. Top, same thing. It's going through those threads, but it came out on the inside. Okay, got it. Wipe this grease off so I can tell later. Ugh, nasty. Wipe it off on the inside of the tire, and then I'll go out in the field and drive it a little bit and wipe all that grease off. And then I'll do the other side. Well, thanks for watching. Kill it. Where's the camera? There it is.